and hindi ka sorry. Bread and... Oo, tawa na. Mahiga ka. Bread and butter. Plate. Dessert plate. Dessert. Cup and... Cup. Saucer. Saucer. Amin. Pepper and salt and pepper shaker. Ano ba to? Uy, ako naninig ka rin yung ako. Hindi ako video eh. Ashtray. Hindi ko nalasin kami. Ano ba to? Ay. Spoon. Ito, ano? Fish. Spoon, serving spoon. Ayan, nakuha na ko, ma'am. Kaya talaga ako, ma'am. Red wine with red wine.
Coffee and teapot. Ice bucket with ice scooper. Soup tureen with soup ladle, pitcher, soda glass using for soda, and highball glass using for beverage, red wine glass using for red wine.
Rodriguez, Borromeo,
Water goblet using for water, red wine glass using for red wine.
Right now, red wine.
Red wine. White wine.
White wine daw, white wine.
White wine glass using for white wine. Brandy and rum glass. Brandy and rum glass using for brandy and rum. Sherbet and underliner using for dessert. Using for ice cream and cocktail. Food song. Soup ladle. Bar, spoon and fork. Using for mixing wine, stick knife using for steak, cake server using for cake, soup spoon, salt and pepper mixer, shaker, ashtray, sugar and cream container, soup bowl, and bread plate, dessert plate, 6 inches, serving plate, 10 inches, show plate using for underlining dinner plate and salad plate using for salad and appetizer, 8 inches, dinner plate using for main course, 10 inches, then show 12 inches, cup with saucer, serving spoon and fork for main course. Bread knife, fish knife using for fish. Bread knife and butter. Bread and butter knife using for bread and butter. Dessert knife using for dessert fork using for dessert. Carrot and oyster fork using for oyster and snail. Fish,
Marinate, of course.
seafood, and fish pork using for fish. Fish spoon, fish pork.
Fish pork po ba yan?
Ito yung fish pork using for fish.
Dinner.
Dinner. Dinner pork using for main course. This dessert spoon using for dessert. Cocktail pork using for appetizer. Then teaspoon using for mixing coffee and tea. Dinner knife. Dinner knife for main course. Dinner knife. Salad knife.